Hello everybody, Vaso Contour here, and today we're taking a look at this National Geographic Megafossil Mine Dig Kit. And what you see here, of course, is the main material that will have the fossils in it. And there's three little tools they also give you: a little brush, a scraping and digging tool, and a little magnifying glass. Now, it might not be obvious when you read the product description that this material is actually fairly hard, and it'll take some digging to dig out the fossils. And of course, that's the purpose of the whole kit. It's sort of the opposite of video games. This is slow, concentrated, patient effort. Let's see how it works. So the idea is you take this digging tool and you slowly and carefully work away at the area around the fossil like this. And it's got a little scraper. Might be a little hard to see, but it's a serrated edge. And you start digging around it. And it's not super hard material. I'm sure they've softened it up for the kids so they could have a little bit of an easier time at it. And you can see I'm actually making a little progress right here, just digging out just like that. And so you're going to keep this up for, I'm guessing, a few hours to dig this first fossil out. And that's how it works, just like that. And of course, there's a variety of different fossils in this material right here. And so you're going to have a lot of fun digging them all out. And of course, there's also a little brush here. And so as you make progress, you can see how this works. You can brush away the old material and try to carefully dig out the fossil just like that. And if the child wants to see what's going on, you could dig a little deeper and then check it out with this magnifying glass. Now, it will be a little bit messy, of course, so you'll probably want to put a tablecloth down or something like that, because there will be a lot of material scattered down below. But that's okay. That's part of the fun of the kit. So all in all, this product works extremely well. It's completely different than just about any other product I've ever reviewed. And I think just about all kids will learn patience and diligence and have a lot of fun at the same time. As always, if you have any questions on this review, please post a note, and I'll do my best to answer your question. Thanks for watching, everybody.